This is going to be my final warning for Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is trading at a crucial level of support, and yes, it looks to be like if we are going to be holding this level of support, we can still be seeing a breakout towards the upside. And at the same time, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this massive uptrend, creating a new pattern where nobody is talking about, a new cup and handle pattern in that larger time frame. Literally nobody is talking about this, so we need to be talking about that exactly. So can we once again push up the likes? Back above the 150 likes, that will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into the short term. And yes, I have been saying it so many times, but I am still going to be bullish at these levels as long as we're going to be holding above these levels of support. And yes, Bitcoin has been seeing a little bit of a correction yesterday, but even though we have been seeing a little bit of this correction, I still do think that we are trading inside of this symmetrical triangle and we are still going to be awaiting a massive breakout. Now, I do think that we are still going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, and I'm going to be explaining exactly why. First of all, yes, we are still holding above major levels of support, definitely still looking quite bullish. At the same time, in that larger time frame, yes, we are just going to be awaiting in which direction we are going to be breaking towards. Are we going to be falling down below this support, or are we going to be breaking above this resistance? That, in my opinion, is going to be indicating that next Bitcoin move. If we are going to be falling down below right here, in my opinion, we can be having a look into what's next levels of support, which is going to be coming in at about the 64.4k level. But if we are going to be breaking above resistance, which in my opinion is going to be the more likely scenario, well then definitely I think we can be seeing new optimize being created, because we only really have this resistance over here left, sitting at the 74k level. Now, if we are going to be breaking above this level, well then really just new optimize are going to be getting reached. Now, if we are going to be having a look into Bitcoin liquidity, we can definitely be seeing that the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity is actually sitting at the top side, is actually sitting above these previous optimize, and also is sitting above this current resistance. And we do know that Bitcoin tends to move towards a place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, most definitely, it's sitting at the top side, so more likely we are about to see another move towards the upside getting initiated. Now, on top of that, also, Bitcoin is still trading inside of this uptrend. Yes, on the daily time frame, our trend is towards the upside. We can still be seeing that we have gotten supported over here, but it's a very important trend. At the same time, we have been creating these green candles over here, which is definitely indicating that yes, our trend is very strong towards the upside at this current moment. For example, right over here, also the trend and the candles flipped in towards these green territories, and right after that, well, we got a huge next move getting initiated. Right now, actually, the same exact thing is happening. So definitely, I'm going to be quite bullish over here, flipping our previous downtrend in towards an uptrend over here, definitely creating new higher highs, higher lows, and I think right here we are just creating a new higher low. Now, what is going to be very important is that we have been forming this cup and handle pattern. So if we zoom out just a little bit, we can definitely see that this is going to be an extremely bullish structure. We have been seeing this dump being created with actually a V-shaped recovery. So that is why we can be having a look into this cup. And right now we can be having a look into some kind of a bull flag pattern being created in that short term. So that's why I'm thinking that we can be having a look into some kind of a cup and handle right now being created. And this is definitely going to be an extremely bullish biased pattern. And because of this pattern, I definitely do think that in the short term, we can maybe be seeing some more consolidation, maybe a little bit of a dump back towards the downside to be testing this support and shake out a lot of Bitcoin traders with a little bit of a dump and a little bit of a liquidity grab down below these levels of support, but then ultimately still see that next move towards the upside getting initiated. I think that for the short term, that could still be pretty probable, but then in the end of the day, I do think we are going to be seeing another move towards the upside, because that liquidity is of course sitting above this resistance, and if we are going to be seeing this breakout towards the upside, well, it would be the catalyst for a way bigger move. Because yes, still in these larger time frames, we are still getting indicated that a huge Bitcoin move is about to be getting started anytime soon. Now, not many people are actually paying attention towards this signal, but I just think that this signal is going to be one of the most important signals for Bitcoin for this year. Literally at the point of all of these most bullish breakouts, while liquidity is on the top side, while we are in an uptrend, such a significant uptrend, we are also getting indicated that a huge move is about to come. So in my opinion, right now is not going to be the time to be bearish. I'm definitely loading up right now. Bitcoin has been forming this larger bull flag pattern and also been breaking out outside of this one already, retesting this breakout right now. So if we were to be seeing our continuation towards the upside, well, it is just going to be massive, and I do not want to be missing out. Now guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, definitely make sure to check out that link down below, because on your initial sign up, you are already going to be getting a free $5 just by signing up. Now, whenever you open your first futures trade, you're going to be getting another $100, which is absolutely insane. And on top of that, also you're going to be eligible for a $30,000 deposit bonus. Now, do keep in mind, all of these bonuses are only going to be available if you do use that link down below. But the best thing is, over on CoinW, there's no KYC required, so everyone all around the world is going to be eligible to be claiming these bonuses and to be trading over on CoinW. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Anyways, for the altcoins, yes, it is still looking like we can be having a look into some kind of a breakdown. Now, the Bitcoin dominance has been increasing just a little bit right here today, so maybe we still need to be waiting a little bit longer until our confirmed breakdown. On that monthly time frame, I want to be seeing this breakdown. So yeah, maybe we still need to be waiting a little bit longer, but whenever this Bitcoin dominance is going to be breaking down, well, all of the altcoins are going to be exploding. So definitely right now, in my opinion, is going to be the time to be loading up on your altcoins. Now, also Ethereum has been dumping a little bit towards the downside as well, but I think that Ethereum is still forming some kind of an ascending triangle, and still in that longer term is looking quite bullish until our ETF is finally going to be up and trading. Then I think something similar, just like has happened with Bitcoin, is going to be happening. When the inflows are actually going to be coming in, well, then we are going to be seeing that next move towards the upside getting initiated. So I think that something like this is going to be next for Ethereum. Anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.